Okay, we are continuing on with supplies and equipment. Starting on page 5, we're going to look at 22 basic items of equipment for the custodian. Starting on page 5 and it's going through page 15. At this time, I'm only going to pronounce the 22 items for you. And once I pronounce them, I will give you time to go through and read how to care for these 22 basic items. There will also be another handout that has pictures of each of the items so that you can take some time to associate the name of the product, the name of the equipment, with a picture of the equipment. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to pronounce the name of each of the equipments, each of the pieces of equipment. It's very important and that you are able to pronounce and can identify what these pieces of equipment are, so that you know how to order them, so you know how to ask for them, so that you can explain to other people what is needed and what equipment you need. So looking on page 5, the first item the pronunciation is canvas, truck, bag, trash container. Canvas, truck, bag, trash container. One last time. Canvas, truck, bag, trash container. And that's item number 1. Item number 2, and now we're looking just at the items that are listed in bold. Item number 2 is pronounced plastic spray bottle. Plastic spray bottle. Number 3 on page 6, brushes. Now there are many brushes that are used by the janitor, but at this point we're only going to talk about brushes. On page 7, cleaning rags. Cleaning rags. Number 5 on page 7 is treated cleaning cloths. Treated cleaning cloths. The next item, dust pan. Dust pan. Turning over to page 8. The first item on page 8, which is item number 7 of our list of 22. Cloth gloves. Cloth gloves. The next item, item number 8, rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. Item number 7, putty or scraping knife. So you will call it a putty knife or a scraping knife. Putty knife or scraping knife. Number 10, it's a long sentence, but basically the only thing the word you need to remember is ladders. Ladders. If you look on page 9, it shows you several different types of ladders. You should be able to call a ladder by its technical name. So you see the first couple of ladders is called a window washing ladder. Those first 3 ladders. Window washing ladder. The next ladder is a common step ladder. Common step ladder. The next item is a trestle extension. It's a type of ladder. Trestle extension. Trestle extension. The next ladder, industrial tripod. Industrial tripod. Industrial tripod. Moving down to the next line, painter's ladder. Painter's ladder. Painter's ladder. The next one, trestle ladder. Trestle ladder. The next item is an extension ladder. Extension ladder. Extension ladder. If you turn over to page 10, you see close-up pictures of the bottom, what's at the bottom of the ladder, the part that makes sure the ladder stays on the ground. The first word is rubber shoes, and that again is attached to the bottom of the ladder, to the bottom of the ladder's leg. Rubber shoes. The next one, reinforced neoprene extension shoes. Reinforced neoprene extension shoes. The next one, safe high extension ladder shoes. Safe high extension ladder shoes. The next one, insulated sleeve. Now this item is not on the bottom of the ladder, but it's on it's on the legs of the ladder, more towards the top. Insulated sleeve, again, is pronounced insulated sleeve. The next item is a cable hook. Cable hook. And the next one, pole strap. Pole strap. The next item, rollable step ladder. Rollable step ladder. It's rollable because it has wheels on one of the legs. So it's a rollable step ladder. And the next item is a straight leg. It's a straight leg ladder. And finally, the last one, a flare leg ladder. Flare leg ladder. I'm going to stop here before going on to page 11. I would like you to stop here and go back and review the pronunciation of the first 10 items, and also take out time to memorize the different types of ladders so that you can be able to pronounce what type of ladder it is just by looking at it. So go ahead now and stop the tape, stop the video, review those first 10 items, pay close attention to what types of ladders there are, and then start the video on the next slide.